3 easy but powerful fishing knots for any beginner. The Rapala Loop Knot. Come up your fishing line about 8 inches and make a regular overhand knot. But do not tighten it yet. Go back to the tag line. Put the tag line through the eye of the lure. Now bring that tag line through the loop. Now you want to pull this down to the size that you want your loop. About right there. So now I'm going to pinch that loop to hold it in place. Now I'm going to wrap the tag line around the main line 5 times. Now I'm going to put the tag line through that loop I pinched. I'm going to wet my fishing line. I'm going to hold the tag line and pull the main line. Now I'm going to cut my tag. Now what that loop knot does, it allows your lure to flow naturally through the water rather than having a jam knot restrict that from its natural movements. The Palomar knot. Take your main line and fold it over about 6 inches. Now take that loop and put it through the eye of the hook. You can see I have the gap of the hook facing the rod and reel. Now I'm going to make a loop on top, and that will flip the hook so it's facing away from the rod and reel. Setting the hook direction when tying the knot will help reduce snags. Now I'm going to put this loop through that loop. Now I'm going to put this loop over the fishing hook. Like that. Now I'm going to drop the tag line and pull the main line. When tightening the knot, make sure that the fishing line comes over the eye of the hook. Here you can see the 2 fishing lines going through the eye of the hook are not crossed. Now you're going to cut your tag, leaving about 1/4 inch of tag. The Trilene knot. Put the line through the eye of the hook and pull it back 6 inches. Bring the tag line back through the eye of the hook again. Now you're going to pull the tag line until you have a nice little loop on the top of the hook. Like that. Now you're going to pinch that loop and hold it in place. Now you're going to wrap the tag line around the main line 5 to 7 times. Now you're going to put the tag line through that loop that you pinched near the hook. Wet your fishing line, hold the tag line, and pull the main line. Now when you cut the tag, you're going to leave a 1/4 inch of tag on in case this knot slips a little. Cut your tag.